welcome to Mana Studies. Let's try to cover an article that was published recently in the newspaper. The article begins with a poignant statement that says India's engineering aspirants deserve an education that prepares them for life, not just for an exam. As we know that life is much more than an exam. So we must focus at the overall development. And as we can see in today's competitive environment, when there are multiple coaching institutes which are promoting rote learning एंड द एबिलिटी टू सॉल्व मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस ही है एक वो चीज जिस पे डिपेंड करता है किसी स्टूडेंट का सिलेक्शन या ना सिलेक्शन. इस एनवायरनमेंट में होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट हो नहीं पाता और कुछ इंस्टीट्यूट्स ही बचे हैं विच फोकस ऑन द होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट, द बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाई 2 + 2 = 4, the basic reasoning. That's what Socrates used to say. A life unexamined is not worth living. That is what Aristotle also proclaimed, that innate knowledge is present in every student. That is what we have to focus upon because every student needs to learn why, the reason behind anything that they are studying. Now let's move forward. The aspirational allure of IITs has imposed an immense psychological and financial burden on families and students. Therefore, it will be wise to choose a coaching institute that also caters to this need. That is, it should be financially cheap, not in the sense of education, but in the sense of monetary lens. Now let's move forward and read this. True education should be a transformative experience. As we covered in the first point, education is not just about rote learning or solving MCQs. It's about transforming an individual so as to become an informed citizen, so as to develop the cognitive ability. The subjects should be studied for their intrinsic value and the richness they bring to one's cognitive framework, not merely as stepping stones to secure a seat in an engineering college. This is what Mahabharata also teaches us. This is the mistake made by Karna. He was only focused at learning so as to prove a point, not he wasn't focused at the actual need, why he wanted to study. Now let's move forward. As socialist Avijit Pathak wants, when education becomes a commodity, we risk creating a generation devoid of creativity and critical thinking, which are the most important tools, as are mentioned by Yuval Noah Harari in his book Sapiens, when he says the most important tool that humans have in front of AI, because we all know that AI is going to eat a lot of jobs. The only thing humans have against AI is our adaptability. If we are adaptable to learning new things, to incorporating new skills, only then will we be able to surpass the technology that is known as AI. Let's move forward. And the last point is by offering an education that values development of a well rounded intellect. That is what should be the focus of every coaching institute. They have to cover the basics in order to help students to visualize what they are studying, and they also have to help them clear the exam they are trying to focus. Only few institutes are capable of maintaining this balance, and I hope you are wise enough to choose that one. Thank you.